Old school Silverados, 90s, early 2000s. They had something modern ones don't have anymore. 3 features, 3 functions that came from factory, and most owners never discovered they were there. I talked to a veteran mechanic, 32 years working on Silverados. He told me the old ones had features Chevy simply stopped including. And when owners discover these features, they understand why they never want to trade. Subscribe now. Comment if you knew about these features. Today, you're going to discover 3 secrets that came from factory in your classic Silverado. The mechanic explained something fascinating to me. Chevy put features in old Silverados that were genius, simple, but genius. Later, they stopped, cut costs, simplified. But those features made all the difference. Why didn't he tell anyone before? Because most owners didn't even know they had them, never read the manual, never explored. But when I show them, their face changes. My Silverado does that? Today, you're going to know 3 secret features that only old-school Silverados had. Let's start with the feature that saved owners in emergencies. First secret feature, emergency fuel mode. The mechanic explains old Silverados had a genius system when fuel ran low. It wasn't just a light turning on, it was a mode. How did it work? When tank hit critical reserve, system started adjusting everything automatically. Air conditioning reduced, alternator optimized, injection became more efficient. Silverado gave you an extra 15, even 20 miles. Why was this important? On the road, far from a station, this feature saved people. Owners didn't even notice, thought it was luck, but it was engineering. The mechanic told me a story. Owner came to thank me once, ran out of fuel in the middle of nowhere, but made it to the station. I explained, your Silverado has emergency mode. It helped you. His face, total shock. My truck did that for me? Feature number 1, emergency fuel mode. Modern Silverados don't have this anymore. Second secret feature, intelligent load protection system. The mechanic says this was brilliant and almost nobody knew. What was it? Old Silverados monitored bed weight all the time. If weight went over ideal, system adjusted suspension automatically. More than that, adjusted brakes, force distribution. How did owners use it without knowing? They'd load heavy cargo, drive normal, brake normal. Didn't realize Silverado was working to keep everything safe. The mechanic showed me sensors in rear suspension, communicating with computer. Computer said heavy load, adjust rear brake, compensate suspension. All of this invisible to owner, but saving him. Why did they stop? Cost, complexity. Modern ones have simpler versions, but old ones, system was complete, total protection. Feature 2, intelligent load protection. Engineering that worked in silence. Third secret feature, built-in manual diagnostic system. The mechanic said, this one I'm my favorite, pure genius. What was it? Old Silverados had complete diagnostics accessible without a scanner. You could see codes, sensors, system status, all on the dashboard. No computer, no equipment. How to access? A specific sequence with the key. Varies by year, but all had it. Dashboard started showing codes, real engine temperature, exact voltage, fuel pressure, transmission status, everything. Why was this revolutionary? Owner could diagnose himself in the middle of the road. No mechanic, no scanner, just him and his Silverado. The mechanic told me owners who discovered this became semi-mechanics. Engine is hot. Let me check the code. Solved it right there. Total independence. Chevy gave this as a gift. Why did they remove it? Regulations. OBD2 standardization. Systems became closed, but old ones were open, transparent. Feature 3, built-in manual diagnostics. Power in the owner's hands. 3 secret features of old-school Silverados. 1, emergency fuel mode. Took you further. 2, intelligent load protection. Worked invisible. 3, manual diagnostics. Diagnostic power. The mechanic told me these features made owners fall in love with the old ones. Because Silverado wasn't just a truck, it was a partner. It saved you, protected you, gave you control. Now I want to know, did you know about these features? Comment, didn't know number, or knew all of them. If your classic Silverado has these 3 features, you have something special, something they don't make anymore. Like this video, share it with classic Silverado owners. Subscribe for Silverado secrets almost nobody knows. Tomorrow at 8 p.m., more hidden features from the golden era. Your old school Silverado? It's smarter than you think. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.